Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to send a video to a group chat on Instagram using the PC app, and how to add a text message along with it, all with the latest update that makes this process super easy and convenient. First, open the Instagram app on your PC and log into your account. Once you're inside, look to the left side menu and click on the Messages icon. This will open your direct messages where you can see all your conversations. Next, find the group chat where you want to send your video. Click on that group to open the chat window. At the bottom of the message bar, you'll see a small photo icon. Click on that to start selecting your video. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer. Choose the video you want to share and click Open. The video will upload right into the chat. After the video is ready, you can write your comment or message in the text box just like you normally would. This is a great way to add context or share your thoughts along with the video. Finally, click Send, and your video along with your text message will be delivered instantly to the entire group. It's that simple. With this new Instagram update, sharing videos with friends and family on your PC is smoother than ever. Whether you're sharing memories, announcements, or just something fun, adding a message makes your communication more personal and engaging. So next time you want to send a video to a group on Instagram from your computer, just follow these easy steps. Open Instagram, go to Messages, pick your group, click the photo icon, select your video, add your text, and hit Send. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your videos and messages on Instagram with ease.